Hi boys and girls, now it's time for word work. Today we're going to practice our beginning sounds of words. Now we've already learned that the beginning sound is the first sound that you hear in any given word. So let's practice a little game that we've already played. It's called You're Out of There, but this time we're going to do it with some pictures. So I've got 4 pictures here and one of them doesn't match. You've got to tell me which picture does not have the same beginning sound. So listen as I look at each picture. Bat, box, bird, horse. Can you guess which one doesn't match? Listen again. Bat, box, bird, horse. You got it. The horse says at the beginning. These other 3 say b at the beginning. H and b are 2 different sounds, so horse is out of there. Let's try one more. We have a heart, hand, mouse, hook. Think about which one doesn't belong. Heart, hand, mouse, hook. Can you figure it out? Yeah, you got it. It's mouse. Mouse has the sound at the beginning, and these pictures have the h sound at the beginning. Now it's your turn to make your own sounds. So what I need you to do is I need you to think of a letter, any letter that you want, and you need to make the silliest sentences with only that letter. So Miss Myers has picked the letter T. T says t, t, t. So that means every word in my sentence has to start with t, t, t. What about if I started with someone's name? What name could start with t? Maybe Timmy. Timmy tells tattletales. Ooh, no tattle tongue. Listen again. Timmy tells tattletales. It kind of sounds like a tongue twister. So let me think of another sentence that only uses the letter T at the beginning of each word. What about tick-tock tells time? See, instead of saying a clock, I called it a tick-tock because those words start with the letter T. Tick-tock tells time. But those aren't very silly. I wonder if I can think of a sillier sentence. Tiny turtles tumbled toward Tina. Tiny turtles! Oh man, that would be something silly to see. But I bet you can come up with even sillier sentences. So what I need you to do is I need you to pick one letter, and I need you to come up with 3 different sentences that all start with the same sound. So listen to mine again. Timmy tells tattletales. Tick-tock tells time. Tiny turtles tumbled toward Tina. 3 sentences. Okay? So you can either videotape yourself saying them, or you can write them down and send me a picture of them. I can't wait to see what silly sentences that you come up with. Bye, friends.